how we have always been celebrating. That's true. And that's how we in India, we Hindus celebrate Diwali to be, and that's what it means to us. There are many religions in India. I think most of them follow Diwali in some way or the other, whether they are Sikhs or Jains or whoever. In Jainism, I will give you one other different perspective today. Diwali is a day when Lord Mahavira got enlightenment, and it is celebrated for his achievement of enlightenment. Now, what does enlightenment mean? Well, it's called Keval Gyan. I am not getting into the philosophy of Keval Gyan, which is very hard and difficult for me even to explain. Not that I know very much of it, but I definitely know the Keval Gyan is all about practicing certain values, some certain ethical values which Jainism or Lord Mahavira talked about. And those values are Satya, Ahimsa, Asteya, Aparigraha, Brahmacharya, 5 of them. So these are the values, core values, which take you to the path of enlightenment. In the organizational context, in the same way, there are certain values. Those are the values which are very dear, and they are eternal. They are always there in an organization for all time to come. They provide a continuity to the organization, and those are the core values. In high tech, we have 10 of these core values. You know, what we call the 3 T's and 2 P's and 5 C's. I will not get into details of them. I think most of those values are, if you go around, they have been all described and they are written. We had a great discussion and debate late night yesterday among some of us on these values, and we all decided to dedicate ourselves to these values. So today, dedicate to our values, our core values. This will take us to that great path of success, or what in Jainism they call enlightenment. In our organization sense, it is the future, the success and good of the organization. And when I say organization, it's not the company, it's all of us, all the people. So I think with this backdrop, we should celebrate this Diwali. We should celebrate this Diwali for good of all of us, success of all of us, and success of the company in the end of the day. And I take this opportunity to wish all of you a very happy Diwali, to you and your families. Have great holidays for next few days after 3rd or 4th, whenever the holidays begin. I'm not sure. The 4th and 5th, and have a great time. But enjoy yourself and come back refreshed to take us forward into this organization. All the best to all.
The message definitely inspiring. Always get inspired by listening to you. Of course, you have touched upon a very, very important subject, and maybe I can give a little different lens or paradigm to the same thing that you brought about. और मैं हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों में बोलूँगा. हिंदी में मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बोलने की कोशिश करता हूँ तो कुछ इंग्लिश निकल जाती है. So I will continue in that way. And if I am not able to make myself understood, please ask me and I will explain it again. So, जैसे सर ने भी बोला about Mahavir and Jainism. A lot of us know about Diwali as, you know, the victory of obviously good over evil. दीपावली भी हम इसको बोलते हैं, और दीपावली में एक सेंट्रल लैंप होता है. एक लैंप होता है जिसका मैं नाम अभी भूल रहा हूँ. इसको आई थिंक इट्स सम एक लाइट जिसको बोलते हैं, जो एक लाइट होती है जिसको आप जलाते हैं और फिर उसी से आप सारे लैंप्स को लाइट करते हैं. आई एम श्योर जो लोग घर में पूजा करेंगे आज भी, कल भी, परसों भी, दे विल लाइट दैट वन मदर लैम्प एंड देन फ्रॉम दैट दे विल लाइट ऑल द अदर लैम्प्स.
दिया से दिया जलाना.
हाँ,
दिया से दिया जलाना.
हाँ, दिया से दिया जलाना, as they say, right? So that and there's always different ways you can think about it, right? The way to think about that lamp is for you yourself as an individual, right? पहले आप अपने आप के अंदर एक दिया जलाओगे, उसके बाद ही आप दुनिया को रोशन कर सकते हो. So the way I look at that lamp is that I have to be that light that lights everything around me. And I think it's my privilege and honor to be working with you and with all of you, where I see this bright spark in all of you, right? Which not only reverberates back the light at me, it helps me sometimes ignite the light back in me. So I really appreciate all of you and the effort, and the last 2 years odd have not been very happy for the entire world, right? We are still not out of it. अभी भी कोविड चल रहा है, कोविड कहीं गया नहीं है. अभी रिसेंटली मैं पढ़ रहा था कि चाइना में फिर से उन्होंने लॉकडाउन शुरू कर दिए. There is another variant of the Delta variant that has come out. उसको कुछ टाओ या पता नहीं क्या बोल रहे हैं वो लोग. So ऐसे वेरिएंट्स आते रहेंगे, तो ये जो विपदाएं होती हैं, ये तो ह्यूमन sort of लाइफ का पार्ट है. I mean, they have become now sort of front and center because it has become so all pervasive, all pervading, that everyone is facing this one challenge. But think about it, in your life, in everyone's life, you have multiple challenges, right? In this case, now we are sort of we have a common challenge in COVID, and that has power to, when you have this one challenge that you have common to fight, right, have to win against, it is a rallying cry. It is something that binds people together. So in that case, in that sense, with COVID, we saw that where vaccines would take usually decade or more to come out, it was in less than 12 months that we saw so many vaccines come out, and they are still coming out with more and more, right? And that is what the human spirit is. When you are faced with a challenge, that is when the best of us, when the best of whoever you are actually shines through. So now we are in this organization as well. We had lots of challenges over the last 2 years, and I'm so proud of all of you. I can say that each and every one of you who sort of gave the organization the strength, gave me personally the strength to tide over this time, and now we are seeing it towards growing towards the epitome, right? So as you all know, and a couple of good news I can share with you, which we just got to know. From an ADAS point of view, we also now have today the letter of nomination from Volvo Eicher. So we already had Daimler, which has started major production. Anurag is there.
Yes, sir.
And that volume from next month is going to what, about 5x?
Almost, sir.
3 to 5x.
3 to 5x.
So that is a good challenge to have, right? It's a challenge nevertheless. So it will be a challenge. He will, and the team, I'm sure, will rally together and pull it across. Now with Volvo Eicher, we have practically about 60 to 65% of the entire MHCV production in the country, in India, as our customers. So that, I think, demands a really and we have also been spending this last few months. Of course, there are other big achievements that have happened, but I will not talk about them because I may miss out some of them, and I don't want anyone to feel bad about it. But there is a lot of introspection that me personally and with the leadership team we have been doing over the last many months. And that introspection has led us to figure out who we are. इंट्रोस्पेक्शन का मेन मेजर ऑफ सक्सेस होता है कि आप अपने आप को कितना जानते हो. एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, जो लोग समझते हैं ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज ऑल्सो एन ऑर्गेनिज्म, राइट. तो एज एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन भी हमें अपने आप को जानने की ज़रूरत है, दैट हु वी आर. एंड this is where, you know, what sir was saying becomes very, very relevant. Who we are is what behaviors we display, and what behaviors we display have to somewhere align to the values that we are born with or we have been nurtured with, right? So विपदाएं ज़रूर आएंगी, जो अभी भी हैं और आगे भी आएंगी. Challenges हमेशा ही आएंगे. What will define our character is how we will come out of them and how we will be victorious on the other side. So I think hopefully this year will be the last year where we will have this kind of celebration where we are all wearing masks and can't see each other's faces. I hope that next year, you know, we can all be going back to some kind of normalcy. We can have a better function for Diwali as well, which all of you deserve, and you know, where we can have some of the families also come in, and you know, we can have a much larger celebration. But let me leave you with this thought, right? When you go back today and you celebrate, or during the weekend and all of that, right? When you are thinking about Diwali, think about who you are. Think about what are the challenges that you're facing and how you're going to overcome them. Re-energize yourself. You know, don't just light the diyas outside of you. First light the diya inside of you. And I honestly hope and pray and wish that this Diwali we can all light diyas inside of us and be reinvigorated and come back and achieve the pinnacle of success that we are all destined to. So thank you very much. Wish you a very happy and prosperous Diwali.